Hi, André. Thanks for stopping by at EuroShop 2023 to talk to us how you use the publishing platform for retail from Lexmark. It's good to see you. So how long has Coop been using the Lexmark PPR solution?
We have actually had it for the retail segment. We have had it since start 2022, and from January this year, we have also onboarded all our do-it-yourself shops.
Oh, great. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good to hear. Yeah, I knew we were taking the DIY stores from an incumbent vendor, but that's good to hear. So, André, where do you use it mostly in the stores? What sort of things are you printing, and how is the solution helping you?
Well, we are quite diverse. We have the small convenience stores that are running on fully paper labels. And then we have those same convenience stores that are running electronic. And then when you come up to the Coop segment, that is the in between before our hard discount, then you're starting to go more and more 100% electronic. And then we have a supermarkets and the hypermarkets, and they are all running. And of course, the smaller shops, they need a template for promotions and pricing on the A4 format. When you come up to the bigger stores past the hard discount, then you have posters, digital posters. Some that are, and then you have the supermarkets and the hypermarkets that have their big format plotters that are printing the big.
And just to clarify for audience, so the PPR solution is driving the content on all of those touch points. So the digital screens, large digital screens, large format posters, and also the smaller printed items as well that you're finding in the store.
Yeah, we have quite an elegant integration with our supplier for screens and content for our employers. And just basically, we have identified them through a QR code per poster.
Perfect.
As many other people, we probably do it in your own system. And then through the in-aisle publisher, they just use their handheld. They scan the poster, they scan the template, and they scan the products and up and running.
That's perfect. So the in-aisle publisher that you have from the PPR solution, this is running on your Zebra handheld terminals, correct? Okay.
We have all from TC52s that are Wi-Fi to the TC57 that are actually running a SIM card, a 4G.
Perfect. Yeah, because we've done some analysis of your printing behavior, and it seems that the majority of print is instigated from the handheld, which is very interesting.
I think you will find high 90s on the in-aisle publisher and maybe some few percentages on the in-store.
Yeah, and I guess the advantage is it keeps your store colleagues on the shop floor. They can help customers. They can manage signs, look for gaps. Cool.
They think it is as a hassle to go to the back office to do things they can do directly from their handheld. And also now the next generation will be bring your own device.
Okay. Yeah. And we can run on any device. So we can run on Apple and Zebra. So that'll be great. And do you think it saved the store colleagues a lot of time by being able to do these things on a handheld as opposed to sit in the back office?
Yeah, if you look isolated at the handheld, yes, you will save time. But I think what my shop managers think is that when you make their everyday less hassle. They have their 20,000 steps a day, and if they can avoid going back to the back office to get one poster, they can do all they want through the aisles, order digital here, paper poster there, and then when they're done, there will be a stack of posters in the printer, and then they will see that it's really time efficient.
Yeah, that's great. So I wanted to touch on the subject of sort of content automation and how our intelligent templates change automatically to give different results for the stores. How have you found that?
Well, on the digital signage, we see, of course, you have our mix campaigns. You have our fixed prices and our percentages, and of course, if we make any changes in the system, it will reflect on that poster. And of course, together with you, we have made quite many good templates as we were talking about earlier, that we have for our hypermarkets, you can have one poster on the outside for just getting the attention of a car driving by. Mm-hmm. You have a big price, you have an article, yep. But you don't give any more information because nobody's going to slow down to read. You come to the entrance, then you have the same price, maybe a more clearer picture and some key points. Mm-hmm. And then when you come to the same article in the aisle, then you have the technical specifications. And all this is just the same. You scan the same EM code, you scan the same poster or ESL, and you just choose a different template for what you want to show.
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you for that. And then finally, coming to the future, and things that we're testing together and working on together. We've been showing Boost here at EuroShop. Could you tell us a little bit about your thoughts on Boost and what the testing that we've done and what you think the benefits might be?
Well, the Boost is basically just another, in quotes, air quotes, it's just another template or another push button where you want to perfectly, if you have fresh food, perishable. Bread is a perfect example because the day after you can't sell it. So from maybe 9 to 11 in the evening, you want to boost towards the loyalty segment or to everybody that this is a discount that has a 2-hour expiry date. It will have a watermark saying that, and you can boost it as a test. Now we are doing it to the Microsoft channel in our Teams channel. That is for our own employees, but yes, we have tested it on both Instagram and the webhook for Facebook is easy to find. So yes, we are testing it, and we will see how it can apply into our strategy for marketing.
Well, we've discussed obviously geofencing and be able to publish that content to that local environment, that local store audience that's close to their local store. So no, we're really looking forward to pushing on with that with you, and we really appreciate your time coming by, answering the questions, and we wish you a very successful EuroShop 2023.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.